What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Today we're looking at Quant. Thank you guys for being patient. Just was feeling absolute poo yesterday. My bones were aching, but today I feel 100% again, which is crazy. I was ill for 2 days and then obviously gone completely fine. So I had a sore throat the first day, the next day no sore throat and just aching bones. No COVID here, just like flu-like symptoms, but literally today I feel 100% within myself, so it's all good for continuation for Louis. But basically what is going on with Quant is we have run back into this previous support now as resistance, and you can see we're getting rejected. I told you guys this as we had this crazy pump, that all you're doing is coming into previous support and trying to obviously get back above it, but at the moment you are still holding it as resistance. And so no surprises here. What we can anticipate is a rollover to the 20 MA. You can see by the time, obviously it was up here when it was down here, and I said that it's usually going to consolidate. By the time you come down, this is going to come up and line up with the previous resistance. So resistance is just going to be flipped into support, and the 20 will sit there, and we know that we're just consolidating between the two. Now I'm just going to look and check for divergences. So we do have higher highs on the chart, but obviously we can see that this here is not higher than any of these highs here. So RSI is telling us that there is some bearish divergence because the chart is telling us lower highs, but the RSI is telling us higher highs. So we got some hidden bullish divergence actually. So doesn't mean that we can't come up more, because obviously we can see we haven't got exactly to the overbought territory. Does not mean that we are going to drop into the abyss right now. What it is saying though is that until you come up and break these highs, you're still going to have bearish divergence. So I almost said Bitcoin there. Quant could just get a little wick down and then come to the 200 over here. And technically speaking, I think, yeah, by then you probably are going to get into the overbought territory, because I would expect it would go higher than this. If it doesn't go higher on the RSI than this, then you would have bearish divergence, because this would be a higher high. And if the RSI doesn't go higher than this high, you'd have obviously bearish divergence, because this says lower highs and this says higher highs. But yeah, I'm just going to check these previous high points here. So yeah, basically to invalidate, let's check this. Okay, so Quant, the only way to validate just this bearish divergence here is for Quant to break above this, but technically speaking, when you run into this, it's still be lower than that, and this over here on the RSI is that highest point. So actually, for Quant to invalidate downside bearish divergence, it kind of needs to come up and break 205. Now, I think that once you get to this 200 EMA, you are going to fall back to this $150 psychological level, and then your next target would be 205. But yeah, there is bearish divergence over our head right now. And of course, if, let's say, go check out Bitcoin's update, because there is I was basically explaining the trade that I took on Bitcoin yesterday in today's update. So make sure to go check that out. If you're interested in the group chat or in the course, you get the group chat for free in the course and in the mentorship till the top of the bull market. So while you are learning, you're also doing trades and learning from the trades on the job and making money on top. So we've had 2 trades this week. One was 25%, the other one being 10% yesterday, in and around 10-11%. So yeah, it's all positive. A nice 35% gains within 1 week. That is absolutely ridiculous, guys. Crazy gains in 1 week, not a month, not a year. Stock market does 9% on average in a year. We did 35% in 1 week. Wow, guys, phenomenal. So the people in the chat are loving it at the moment. Whether we're bull or bear, we still got trades. Yesterday was a long, the day before was a short. So whatever I'm seeing, I'm posting. I'm not going to trade every single movement, just what I'm confident in taking. But yeah, we know we need to still come down to this 20 MA. I want to retest, and yeah, from there we'll go from there. Let's go check the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, you can see we have actually retested this previous swing high with this wick here and this wick. So potentially you just might consolidate a little bit more, get one more wick down to that 786 before continuation. We are holding these EMAs at the moment, so that's positive to see. What I would say though is if we do lose the EMAs and this low over here, we could come down to around $126, $125 level. That would be also coming back. Obviously we were retracing to this previous high, we did, and now we're probably just coming to find support, whether that's here or a little bit low at the 786 or the 618. Basically, once we do find support on either the 1618 or the 786, we would try and attack the 1 again, and if we can confirm it as support, we would try to head to that 1618 target, but you could just top out towards the 1414, get a wick above it to that 205 area, and then head back down into key support before continuing up to the next targets. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Quant. I hope you guys enjoyed today's update. Thank you for being patient. Please like the video, subscribe so we can get to 2K subscribers by the end of this month. I know that we can do it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll bring you over to the crypto packages now. Thank you. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2 hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6 hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6 hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.